In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your payment methods order on Fresha's dashboard. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to organize your payment options to suit your business preferences and enhance your client's checkout experience. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to be on the Fresha dashboard. This is your control center for managing everything related to your business operations. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon. This represents your settings. Go ahead and click on this icon, as it will take you to where we can customize various aspects of your account. Now, within the Settings menu, you'll want to look for the section labeled Sales. This is where you manage all sales-related settings for your business, from taxes to payment options. Once you spot it, click on it, and it will expand its menu options for more detailed configurations. Then, ensure you are under the Payment Methods section. Here, you can see all the different ways your customers can pay for services or products. Having the right order of payment methods can make a big difference in customer experience, so getting this step right is important. Next, direct your attention to the Options button located alongside the Payment Methods title. Clicking this will give you a drop-down menu or a pop-up, depending on your system, where you'll select Change Order. This function is key to rearranging the payment options according to your preference. To change the order, simply drag and drop the payment methods as desired. You might prefer certain payment methods to be prioritized or more visible based on customer demand or transaction fees. Just click on the method you want to move, hold on, and drag it to its new position. This system is user-friendly, allowing you to intuitively rearrange the order with ease. Once you've settled on an order that best meets your requirements, make sure you click Save Order at the top of the screen. This step is crucial because it confirms your changes and applies them to your checkout process. Without saving, any changes you've made will not hold. And there you have it. That's how you customize the order of payment methods on the Fresha dashboard. It's a simple process, but it can significantly impact your business operations. An organized payment process not only streamlines your operations but also enhances customer satisfaction. Make sure to periodically review your settings to ensure they continue to align with any changes in your business or client needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on making the most of your Fresha dashboard. Until next time.